Hey tech enthusiasts, looking for the top 5 laptops? You're in the right place. From performance to style, we've got you covered. Let's find your perfect match. Number 1, MacBook Air M3. Looking for a lightweight, powerful laptop with great battery life? The MacBook Air M3 is for you. Weighing 2.7 pounds and just 0.4 inches thin, it packs Apple's M3 chip for top performance, and its 18-hour battery means no need to carry a charger. The MacBook Air M3 features a 3.6-inch liquid retina display with support for 1 billion colors, making visuals stunning. With its 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU, this device leads the class in graphics and performance. It scored 12,087 in Geekbench tests, putting it at the top of its category. Not only does it perform exceptionally well in tests, but it also excels in real-world tasks. It can transcode 4,000 videos to 1080p in just 7 minutes and 54 seconds. Whether you're editing videos, processing photos, or multitasking, the MacBook Air M3 won't let you down. Number 2, Acer Swift Go 14. Next up is the Acer Swift Go 14. This sleek and high-performance device could be the perfect choice for those looking to get the most value for their money. Let's dive into the details. Starting with its design, the Acer Swift Go 14 stands out with its metallic aluminum body, weighing just 1.3 kilogram and measuring 0.68 inches thick. Its lightweight and durable build makes it an excellent choice for both students and professionals. Plus, its slightly shimmering premium finish gives it an edge over other budget-friendly laptops. Now let's check out the specs. The Acer Swift Go 14 we reviewed comes with an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD. It also features Intel's integrated Arc GPU, which provides smooth performance for everyday computing tasks, browsing, productivity work, and light photo or video editing. The display is another standout feature. With a 14-inch size and a resolution of 1920 x 1200, it offers bright and sharp visuals. The 374 nit brightness levels are impressive as well. Although the color gamut covers 79.1% of DCI-P3, if you're looking for even clearer visuals, you might want to consider the 2.8000 display option. Number 3, Asus Zenbook 14 OLED. Next up, we have a detailed review of the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED. This laptop truly stands out with its impressive features. The Asus Zenbook 14 OLED model features a 4.5-inch 2.8000 OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, which is quite eye-catching. With a resolution of 2880 x 1800 and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, it delivers vibrant and sharp visuals. Equipped with a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13700Rs processor, 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and a 1 TB PCIe SSD for fast data access, this laptop delivers strong performance. It also boasts an impressive 15-hour, 52-minute battery life, one of the longest for Windows laptops. The Zenbook 14 OLED scored 12,707 in the multi-core Geekbench 6.2 tests, surpassing the 13-inch MacBook Air M3. It also converted 4K video to 1080p in 6 minutes and 36 seconds in the Handbrake 1.6 test, which is over a minute faster than the Air M3's 7 minutes and 54 seconds. The OLED screen performs well in color accuracy, though the DCI-P3 color gamut coverage is at 79.8%, slightly behind some competitors. The screen brightness of 339 nits is also a bit below the competition, so we hope for improvements in this area. Number 4, LG Gram SuperSlim. Next up, we're introducing the ultra-thin and lightweight LG Gram SuperSlim laptop. This laptop really stands out with its impressive features. The LG Gram SuperSlim boasts a 5.6-inch OLED screen and an incredibly thin profile of just 0.49 inches. With a weight of only 2.18 pounds, it's one of the lightest ultrabooks around. This laptop is equipped with an Intel Core i7-1360P processor, 32 GB of RAM, and a 512GB SSD. The Intel Iris Xe GPU keeps the graphics performance high. This combination delivers excellent performance for both everyday tasks and professional duties. The LG Gram SuperSlim scores high in Geekbench 5 tests, even surpassing the M2 MacBook Air. It also offers superior file transfer speeds with 1692.4 amps, which is above the premium average. For such a slim laptop, the battery life is remarkable. It lasts for 11 hours and 38 minutes, providing long-term usage. With fast charging capabilities, it ensures uninterrupted power throughout the day. This Ultrabook offers an excellent balance between portability and performance, making it an ideal choice for business travel or school use. Number 5. MacBook Pro M3 Max. Next up, we're taking a look at the performance powerhouse, the MacBook Pro 16-inch M3 Max. This laptop is truly a masterpiece for creative professionals and those seeking high performance. The MacBook Pro 16 cubic meters Max is equipped with a 16-core M3 Max CPU and a 40-core GPU. This combination handles any processing task with ease, even outperforming Windows workstations. Our model includes 48GB of RAM and a 1TB SSD, but can be configured with up to 128GB RAM and 8TB SSD. It scored 20,863 on Geekbench 6, more than twice the premium laptop average. In real-world tests, it converted a 4000 video to 1080p in just 2 minutes and 36 seconds, outperforming most premium laptops. This performance beast is also impressive in terms of battery life. It lasted 18 hours and 5 minutes, offering much longer usage than the other laptops we tested. So, what are the downsides? It starts at $2,100, which is a steep price. Additionally, MacOS may impose some limitations for Windows-only applications, and gaming support is still not as good as on Windows. And there you have it, the top 5 laptops. Let us know which one you're thinking about in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next video.